Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll be learning how to solve two-step equations, right? Two-step equation have a variable with coefficient and a number on the same side, like this. 4x plus 5 is equal to 25. These equation needed to be solved in two stage. What it means that they'll be containing addition also and they'll be containing a multiplication also. So you have to go for two steps and then solve that, right? So you need to do the stages in the right order. What stages? First, you'll be keeping variables all alone on one side, and then you'll be doing this divisions like in the inverse order. So let's see how to do this. Suppose if I have 4x plus 5 is equal to 25, I have this equation. Okay. First step, what I'll be doing, I'll be shifting this 5 on this side, right? When I shift right in inverse, plus become minus. I already told you in the previous lecture, addition becomes subtraction, subtractions become addition, multiplication becomes divisions, and division becomes multiplication, right? So when I shift this 5, since 5 is getting added here, it would be subtracted here. So 4x will become 25, take away 5, right? So this would be your 4x. So 4x will be equal to 20. Fine. Now you have 4x equal to this 4 is getting multiplied. When this 4 will be shifted here, it would be divided. So now x you'll be having all alone and this will give you 20 divided by 4. So this will give you 5. So your x will come out to be 5. You can cross check it. 4 times 5, 20 plus 5, it is 25. So this is how you have to solve two-step equations. Okay, let me take one more questions. Let me take one with the addition one. So suppose if I have, say, 11m take away 17 is equal to 16. This is what I have, right? So what will be happening if I shift this 17 this side? This 17 is getting subtracted here, so it would be added to 16. So 11L would be 16 plus 17. So 11M is equal to 33. Now, M 11 is multiplied by it. So when I'll shift it to that side, it will be get divided. So 11 as it comes down here, it would be 33 divided by 11. So you'll get 3. So this is how you have to solve two-step equation. Thank you.